Hi guys, and welcome to Tint School Online, to building a multi-million-dollar tint business, all while still in my 20s. This tutorial is a really important one, and we're going to talk about finding your first car to work on. Before we start the practical side, there's just a few things that you're going to need to know about window film in general. I'm just going to go through the main things to look for: water bubbles, specks and contamination, creases and hairs and fibres. And they are, as we know, the steamroller creases. Now, we filmed a student, and I'll be taking you through the process of how he made it to his final shrink. So this is what we're looking for. What we do is just carry on pushing the film down, because this is going to bunch up. The first push we did there is the same shape as an England flag. Hi guys, and welcome to the advanced tint training. Feeling that you need shrink could potentially that we're going to make the H, break down the spears. It enables us to go. So not a lot of companies actually even do this. So this section is going to be where you're going to learn how to tint windows anywhere. Stick it in the middle, spray behind the film, no touch method. And welcome to the Business Blueprint course.
Your Facebook business page.
They will share this story to their page.
Charge between low to mid pricing.
Whereas this one is between $1 to $3 per quote.
Can create on Yelp's platform for free.
Great long-term method.
Going to list higher on Google results.
The effectiveness is at 13%.
You need to install what is called a Facebook pixel, bring in between 5 and 15 cars a week.
Okay, so we give you multiple colors for your warranty cards, and then select the little blue ball.
So we can customize our new website like this. Building a business and building a brand, and show you my live 6-figure tint plan. So $27 ad spend and $468 in using that secret method. Day 1 overview of Antoine's area. This is day 2. Day 3, this is day 5 overview of Antoine's area. $3,155 in and $367 in ads. You haven't just purchased the newest phone or new pair of shoes or any other devaluing investment. You've enrolled in a whole new lifestyle. An investment in yourself that can see your life change forever.
I kind of already saw the ads, I thought about doing it, and I kind of just said, you know what, screw it, I'm going to pull the trigger and do it. I've just been outstanding to help me get busy. I've been slammed, and I'm making more money now than I was as a district manager. Tint School Online has helped change my life.